Consider for a moment the near-quantum leap in vehicle technology just since 2010. Advancements in materials, accident avoidance, driver assist technology, and more have made today's vehicle far more complex and intricate to repair than anything in the past. And it is clear that the vehicle technology will take even more giant leaps in just the next few years. As the vehicle changes, so too are consumer expectations, needs, and demands. Insurance expectations continue to evolve, and the list of repair quality challenges grows, as does the tools and equipment required and the staffing and training needed to keep pace. To accommodate these changes, how should the repair business evolve to keep pace? Are the best practices for a body shop of past decades the same as they should be for the next decade? If not, what is the appropriate business operating model? Collision repair centers must once again retool, retrain, and reinvest. And for best results, they should do so following a blueprint for success. To help illustrate the opportunities available in the New World Order, we'll examine critical elements of the business model we'll refer to as a certified collision care provider. Like looking at the picture on the box top of a jigsaw puzzle, we'll use a conceptual tour to illustrate the concepts in an overall business model. While the complete assembly of these elements is imaginary, each concept illustrated is real and to one degree or another successfully employed by an actual collision repair business. For many, the concept of a collision care provider is abstract and elusive. Now there is yet another paradigm shift as the ideal collision repair business model continues to evolve just as the vehicle and society has. The ideal body shop for 2020 is far more than a body shop. The ideal certified collision care provider is a business that leverages technology, data, and efficiency more than at any other era. The ideal collision repair business model for 2020 is a remanufacturing facility, a retail outlet, a service provider, a vendor, a learning and training organization, and a turnkey, process and technology-driven machine. The ideal collision repair business for 2020 and the years ahead also goes far beyond just providing a service and instead provides care, collision care. A certified collision care provider is not just a name. Being a certified collision care provider is interlaced throughout the business operations and every aspect of how the business is run. The result is a certified collision care provider that is far more profitable and less complex. A certified collision care provider is a well-run, process-driven business that is highly valuable and worth owning. It represents the best local employer for their staff and management and only hire and retain the best. A certified collision care provider represents the best customer to their wholesale parts dealers and other suppliers and can maintain the best profit margins and receive the best service. The business-to-business bond becomes a strategic partnership and symbiotic mutually beneficial relationship. A certified collision care provider is also the best service provider for insurers looking for a new way to do business to replace the 35-year-old DRP model. Certified collision care providers also prosper from OEM and dealership referrals and advancements in telematics from the vehicle and interconnectivity with smart technology. All combined, a certified collision care provider is ultimately the best choice for consumers too. To gain and maintain an edge in a highly competitive marketplace, a certified collision care provider delivers an exceptional experience while operating more efficiently than ever before. The certified collision care provider is able to produce a precise repair with nearly zero variance. A certified collision care provider can repair every vehicle to exact manufacturer tolerance in the back while delivering an exceptional white glove experience 10 times out of 10 times in the front. Everything the certified collision care provider does follows a precise formula. Collision care is delivered by a process-driven machine with interchangeable people. To achieve this nearly unimaginable goal, the body shop of the past era must be reinvented and re-engineered following a blueprint and leveraging technology-driven solutions and new business systems. For most repair businesses that have become OEM certified, the transition is far less daunting. The minimum requirements for OEM certification is an itemized list that each repair business has achieved to become certified. However, these are only minimum requirements and not best practices. Best practices for a certified collision care provider go far above and beyond the certification standards and include many new systems and processes that help you gain and maintain a competitive advantage in your market area. Adopting the certified collision care provider model will propel you far ahead of the industry and allow your business to far outperform the rest.